So hello guys, I'm fixing for my table. Yesterday I fixed this. Tonight, now look at my table. It's very messy. So what are we doing? Cleaning. So now we'll fix this here, this one here, and this place. So that is my clay, and this makeup kit, this, here, this, here, this, here, now this is here, this, here, this, here, and that is my table, that is my notebook, that, and this is my, what's that? This is my photo cards, and this is my Pop-Its. This is my powder, and this is my wallet. This is my clay, and this is mama's picture. This is my alcohol, and this is my design of my keychain. And this is my school supplies, and this is my makeup kit. This is my beads, and this is my cinnamon. This is my lampshade, my favorite lampshade. So that's my table and Hello Kitty. That. So comment if you want some to fix my table. Bye.